Hello students, today we are going to read a poem, No Men Are Foreign. It is composed by James Kirkup. It is taken from 9th class B High. Have you ever thought of some people as strange? Here, strange means a person who is not familiar to us or other countries as foreign. We have many ways of thinking of other people as different from us as them. They may belong to a different country or speak a different language. In this poem, however, the poet reminds us of the many ways in which we are all the same, for we are all human. Here the poet expresses the global concept of brotherhood and equality. The poet says, whole world is one. We should remember that no man is foreign and no country are stranger. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniform, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Each earth like this, in which we all shall lie. No person is a stranger to us. If a person does not belong to our area or country, it doesn't mean that he is a stranger. No country is foreign. That is not our country. There may be differences in our food habits, way of talking and dressing, but we are all alike to one another. We are all human beings. We follow different religion. We speak different languages. We may have differences in our cultures. We may have different colors. In spite of all these differences, we are brother. We all walk upon the earth. We survive on the earth, and at the end of our lives, we all shall lie on the same earth. We will be buried on the same earth. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by wars, long winter starve. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. People whom we call stranger, they also use sun, water and air like us. They get crops from the field like us. When there is a peace time, they like peace as we do. During the war and winter, they have to face many difficulties and problems, and they die due to starvation. They use power of hands to do things as we do. They also speak to communicate with their people. So we all are similar in many respects. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Here the poet says, no one is a stranger because they have eyes like that of ours. They sleep as well as awake every day and do their work. They have strength like us, and they can be won by showing love and sympathy. Everywhere people have a common and similar life. So there is no man or stranger and no country is foreign. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Some people excite us to take arms against our brothers and to hate them and to kill them. If we do so, we shall deprive, cheat and harm our own spirits. We should not do anything to degrade humanity. It is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. Taking the arms against our brothers pollutes the whole earth. The jealousy inside our heart surpasses the good qualities and the innocence of the people. We make the surroundings polluted with our bad deeds. We should not do any grave mistakes, because all are human beings. No men are foreign and no countries are strange. Thank you.